Diretso na tayo. Alright, so welcome. Welcome sa ating training for today, Starbright Games. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung savings approach when setting appointments. Alright? So, bakit natin ito topic? No, kasi ang harsh reality, marami, lalo na yung mga hindi rookies, maaring nahihirapan to set appointments. Maybe because the reason is we're using too much parang fear to set appointments. Kunyari, ay nako, pag namatay ka, di ba, at wala kang insurance, kawawa family mo, something like that. Or, paano pag nagkasakit, tapos wala kang health insurance? So, kuha ka na ng health insurance, usap tayo. If it's always like that, baka one of the reason, no? I don't know if this is true, but ito yung tingin ko. Probably kaya nahihirapan si AIA, tayo sa mga nasa AIA to set some of the appointments is because masyadong pinag-uusapan is fear or protection. I'm not saying we should not sell protection. Yung pa rin yung main natin. But just to set appointments, dapat yata mas exciting. No? As I also discussed dun sa mga kayang mag-type, please type in the chat box. Kunyari, ano ba yung mas exciting pag-usapan? Yung tutubo yung pera mo, isave mo yung pera mo, lalaki yung ipon mo, kikita ka, mag-i-invest ka, or eto nga, no, kailangan may insurance ka kasi pag wala kang insurance, may nangyari sa'yo, kawawa yung family mo, saan kukunin mo yung pera? Something like that. No? So, ano yung tingin yung mas exciting pag-usapan? Investment and savings or insurance and protection? Sige nga, no, yung kung ikaw yung lalapitan ng kliyente, saan ka mas may excite? Insurance and protection or savings and investment? I wanna know para dun sa mga nanonood. Ayan, yan. So may mga nagchat na. Let me check your chats. That's nice. Alright, so savings and investment. Ayan, sabi ni Jeng, ni Judith, ni Andrea, ni Gerald. How about others? Do you agree, no, na savings and investment yung mas maganda? Ayan, sabi ni Eman. Di ba? So, and maybe a lot of people, especially in AIA probably, we're already using too much or probably yung mga ginagawa rin online, no, na gano'n, puro takutan nga. Di ba? Paano, kamusta na yung widow kapag walang pera, ganyan. Or, yun nga, ano to, meron ka ngang iPhone, wala ka namang ipon, mga ganyan. So we don't like that. We don't like na pinapagalitan eh. So maybe that's the reason why people don't say yes to our appointment. So my message for today is be different to stand out. Dapat kakaiba yung approach natin. So I was looking at other companies. Sabi ko, ano kaya ginagawa ni PruLife? Anong ginagawa ni Sun Life? Let's just talk about Pru, no? So maybe sa kanila, ang dami nilang new recruits. Ang lakas sila mag-recruit. Puro bata. And probably, yung market nila, mga bata, wala pa masyadong pain sa insurance. Maybe wala pa masyadong alam. No, hindi pa nila alam kung ano yung investments and all. So probably, they are setting appointments. Oh, kuha ka nito, magkita tayo, usap tayo about savings and investment. Pag nag-ipon ka, kikita pera mo, ganyan. And sometimes they're selling it the wrong way. No, na hanggang ngayon, InsuraVest pa rin yung approach nila. 'Di ba? Ito yung pera mo, nag-save ka ngayon, age 25, age 30, at age 65, age 60, ito na yung pera mo. Alam nating mali. Alam nating in VUL, most of the time, it won't perform that way. But they do that probably because yun yung madaling intindihin and madaling makaset ng appointment. So sabi ko, I think we should do things differently as well. So, ang message ko dito sa Starbright, let's start focusing on setting appointments that we talk about savings. No, sabi nila, gaano ka-important yung savings? Savings is a commitment, not an amount. So, ibig sabihin, ito, very important tong mag-gets natin, maintindihan natin na hindi naman yung kung ano lang yung laki ng isa-save mo, pero kaya mo bang mag-commit? 'Di ba? Or tutulungan kita na makapag-commit ka. So I will share with you the different approaches that you may use. Ito yung mga pwede nyong i-chat or pag tinawagan mo yung kaibigan mo, client mo, makaset ka ng appointments. Alright? So, kunyari ito, hi Eman, do you want to increase your savings while you're still able to enjoy your life today? Right? So parang sinasabi, oh, gusto bang lumaki yung savings mo habang na-enjoy mo pa rin yung buhay mo, na-enjoy mo pa rin yung pera mo. We have a program in AIA that can help you with that. Alright? Sino sa inyo gusto yan? Sino sa inyo tingin nyo effective yan? Alright? So that's the first approach. Second approach, Hi, Marie. What if you can balance having a YOLO lifestyle and then practice the delayed gratification sabay? Paano yun? No? Na-enjoy mo yung pera mo ngayon, nag-YOLO ka, but still, part of it, nasi-save mo at nagkakaroon ka ng delayed gratification. Gusto mo ba nun? Will you be interested in a program that can help you save more money for future needs? So this is the second approach. Parang yun nga yung sinasabi. What if kaya nating balansehin? YOLO, enjoy life now, and then nakakapag-delayed gratification ka. Alright? Number 3. Hi, Jeng. I recently learned about a program that can help you save money now. No, so you can be prepared for short-term and long-term goals. So, 'di ba parang tutulungan kita, meron kaming program na nakita ko will help you save money now para mabili mo yung mga short-term goals mo tapos may pang long-term din. I want to share with you what we have in AIA that can help you. Are you interested? All right? So, this is another approach na pwede mong gamitin. So, 1, 2, or 3, type in the chat box alin yung mas gusto nyong approach. All right? So, because what we're doing now, I'm sharing you some of the approaches that you can use. Pwede nyo mag-screenshot tong mga to or i-copy. No? And then, that's how you will set appointments with your clients. So, type in the chat box 1, kung yung savings approach 1, ito. No, yung do you want to increase your savings while you're still able to enjoy your life today? Type in 1. Type in 2 what if you can balance your YOLO lifestyle and practice delayed gratification? That's approach 2. And then approach 3, no, meron kang natutunan na program that can help you save money now so you can be prepared for short-term and then long-term goals as well. All right? So type in 1, 2, or 3 kung alin dyan yung nagustuhan ninyo. Ayan. Number 1 si Andrea, number 1 si Judith, number 2 and 3 si Marie, number 3 si Len, number 3 si Eman. Ayan. So iba-iba tayo, 'di ba? That's why we have different options. Let's move on. Mabilis lang ako dito, no. Another target that when we set appointments para mas clear, meron tayong clarity, meron tayong clear parang value proposition na ino-offer is an education fund. Right? So, bakit important to talk about education? Because education is a guaranteed expense. Kung may anak ka, siguradong gagastos ka for education. Kanina lang, nag-enroll kami ng 2 kids, no? 50 mil yata kagad mahina yung ginastos namin for the enrollment, di ba? So, dun pa lang. No? And one of the best concept presentations about education is given by Sanjay Tolani. Ganito lang siya kasimple. You only have 2 options when you talk about education. Option 1, you save money now and then earn interest. Or, pagdating ng age 18, kung wala kang pera, option 2 is pay money or borrow money and then pay interest. Which one would you choose? Alright, nung natutunan ko tong concept na to, na-realize ko, nga talaga, sobrang, like, totoo naman, guaranteed expense nga talaga siya. Kasi either pag-ipunan ko ngayon, para habang hindi ko kailangan, may extra money ako, ma-save ko na yung future ko, or pagdating ng time na yon, kung wala akong pera, I'll borrow money, you pay, and then you also pay interest. Ano yung mas gusto mo? Right? So that's very basic. So I also prepared some approaches for education. Let's say ito, number 1. No, kunyari, hi, Eman, yung anak mo ba, does your son or daughter already have an education plan? So tanong ka lang, meron na bang education plan si Mason? No, yun yung tanong mo. Then wait for a reply. Kunyari, nagsagot, wala pa. You know, we have a program in AIA that can help you with that. We have an option that you can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now. Diba? Usap tayo this weekend, Friday night or Saturday morning, ka-available. So as you all know, we're already pointing towards AIA A+ signature product. Alright? So gusto nating ibenta yung product na yun, pero kesa sinesend mo kagad yung poster, you ask first, di ba? Bro, meron ka na bang, yung anak mo ba may education plan na? Nakapag-start ka na ba? Kung meron naman nasimulan, oh, that's perfect. Magkano na nasimulan mo? Or ano na, saan ka nag-start mag-invest? Oh, okay yan. Sige, I wanna share with you our program in AIA. And meron kaming option, no? You can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now, etc. So that's the first education approach. The second approach, it has worked for me. I have sent to a lot of my friends and marami na rin nagpa-code. Ito naman, kunyari, hi Len, I just wanna share this with you. You might want to explore our new product in AIA for your kids' education. So, syempre, dapat may anak yung lalapitan mo. This gives guaranteed payout every 2 years starting 6 years from now. Tapos, isa-send mo yung poster ng A+ signature. Alright? So, alin mas nagustuhan nyo? No? Education 1, type in E1 kapag Education 1. Yung nagtatanong ka muna kung may education plan na siya, and then pag sumagot, ay nako, meron kaming program yan sa AIA kasi meron kaming option na you can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now. Alright? Or number 2, meron akong gusto i-share sa'yo. Maaring gusto mo nang i-explore itong new product namin sa AIA for your kids' education. So, diretso about the product. This gives guaranteed payout every 2 years starting at the end of year 6 or starting 6 years from now. Alright? Sabi E2, si Judith, si Len, E2, 1 naman si Eman. Alright? 1 din si, 1 si Eman. Alright. So how about others? Mga nakaka-relate yung may mga anak. Okay. So then you can start sending this poster. No? Meron tayong ni-launch na bagong poster. If wala pa po kayo niyan, you can ask your manager to send you these posters. No? So meron tayong pinagawa niyan. Kunyari, assuming the child is age 0, grade 1 pa lang mag-start na yung payout. No? Ito, quick training about the product, A+ signature. Hulog ka about 33,000 a year. Ito yung lowest natin ngayon. No? Napakamura niya, binaba na po yung minimum. After paying 33,000 a year, alright, grade 1, may payout na siyang 25,000 every 2 years. Grade 3, grade 5, grade 7, grade 11, hanggang mag-college, first year, third year, fifth year. And then, kung may plano siyang mag-postgraduate, like pre-med or MBA, pwede pa rin. After that, may graduation gift pa rin siya, 25,000 after 2 years. Alright, so hindi siya basta college education fund lang. This is an education fund na sinisave mo, tas gagamitin mo din. Right? So super important. Ang ganda na itong approach na to. Hindi siya yung long-term, tsaka niya mapapakinabangan. Hindi. They're just saving yung future expense din niya. Anyway, an endowment plan is like that naman talaga. Alright? So I hope you use this poster because we are starting to approach our clients using this. Okay, so after that, pag-usapan din natin yung retirement. Retirement, bakit important yan? Because retirement is the biggest goal that we fail to prepare for. Alright? Nakakalimutan natin sa dami nating goals, YOLO, gala, ganyan, education ng anak, etc. We forget to prepare for our own retirement. Kinompute natin kung magkano yung 3 meals a day pag nag-retire ka na at saka ng asawa mo. Compute natin, 100 pesos per meal, sa 3 meals, 300 pesos per person per day na po ngayon. No, mahal na rin talaga. Kung dalawa kayo, that's 600 pesos per couple per day. Sa 30 days, 18,000 per month yon. Sa 12 months, that's 216,000 per year. Kung mabubuhay kayo ng 20 years, from age 60 to age 80, the cost for food alone is 4.3 million. Ganun na po talaga kamahal. No wonder why people fail during retirement, or kahit meron silang retirement fee or retirement fund na nakuha from their company. Let's say may 2 million silang nakuha, hindi po yun tatagal kasi hindi lang po pagkain, di ba? There's also these hidden costs for retirement. Travel, kahit papuntang hospital, papunta sa anak mo, gas, etc. Housing, kung fully paid na yung bahay mo, yung kailangan pa rin energy, kuryente, tubig, ganyan, amilyar, you still have to pay that. Alright? Healthcare. Diba? Siyempre, yan talaga magastos yan. And then of course, transportation, kasama na rin yun. Alright? So these are the hidden retirement expenses. So when you present these 2 slides, this one, or these 3 slides, this, and this, your client would really realize how important preparing for retirement is. At bago tayo pumunta dyan, syempre dapat maset mo yung appointment. So paano ka mag-set ng appointment? No, for example, hi Andrea, have you started saving for your retirement? O kahit bata pa, di ba? So malamang hindi pa. Okay lang. So sige, we have a program in AIA when you can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now and enjoy your money even before you retire. So kunyari, paano yan? Let's say, 45 years old. Si Gerald. Kunyari si Gerald, 45 years old. Pag binentahan ko siya nito, 6 years from now, 51 na siya. So parang, almost retiring na pero hindi pa. Ang approach dito is, oy, Gerald, before ka mag-retire, gusto mo ba na-enjoy mo na yung pera mo? Pwede ka nang mag-taste of your retirement. No, kahit every 2 years po unti-unti ine-enjoy mo, travel ka lang ganyan. No, so A+ signature pa rin yung approach na yan. No, pwedeng 'yon yung maging gamitin mong approach for retirement. Tanungin mo kapag nakapag-start ng mag-save. No, save hindi investment ginagamit ko, savings lang. No, so kasi we wanna highlight, simple lang, savings lang. Alam naman natin sa BUL, no, hindi din naman ganun kalaki yung returns kaagad. Right? Then pwede mo sabihin, we have a program in AIA where you can start getting benefits as early as 6 years from now. So that's retirement approach 1. Alright? So, yun pala. Number 2 pala to. Sorry yan. Savings for retirement approach 2. Wait lang, edit na natin. Bakit ganon? Hindi natin na-edit yung number. Alright, ayan. So ganun din. Kunyari, no? Jeng, have you started saving for your retirement? Sabi niya, hindi pa nga eh. No, you know, we have a savings and investment program in AIA to help you fund your retirement goals. So you don't need to depend on your kids when you're older. Hindi tayo sa weekend, Saturday or Sunday. So this one naman, hindi ko i-specify na A+ signature, pwedeng VUL naman yung offer mo dyan, like Future Protect or Future Builder or Family Provider, ganyan. Ikaw na bahala kung anong feel mong product. Sa VUL naman, very flexible. Alright? So, ano yung mas nagustuhan nyo? R1 or R2? This one ba? No, na nagtatanong ka kung meron na siyang nasimulan for retirement and then you're offered an A+ signature. Sasabihin mo na kaagad, 6 years from now, mayroon ka makukuhang pera para ma-enjoy mo yung pera mo before you retire. Or this one, para naman more on, lalo na kunyari, wala pa silang nasimulan na retirement fund, na alam mo, maganda meron ka ng retirement fund para you don't need to depend on your kids when you're older. So magkaiba siya ng konti ng approach, no? Itong una, parang more on, ay meron na akong na-start. Talaga saan? Meron akong stock market. Ganyan, that's perfect. Alam mo, meron din kaming program sa AIA where you can start getting benefits 6 years from now pa lang. Hindi ka pa nag-retire, makuha mo na yung pera. Parang ganon. So itong first approach, pang meron na. Yung second approach, pwedeng wala pa. So you're already educating them that, you know, you have to prepare for retirement because, you know, you might, so that you don't depend on your kids when you're older. Alright? So alin yung mas nagustuhan nyo dyan? R1 or R2? Type in the chat box. Or let me know as well, which approach is your favorite? Sige nga, type in the chat box, which approach is your favorite? Ayan. Habang pinaprepare ko yung next. Ayan, R1, si Andrea. Ayan din. Si Judith, ganun din. Si Eman, ganun din. Si Len, ganun din. Oy, okay ah. Sige. So, R1 and R2, si Marie both. Okay. So, depende sa client, no? That's nice. That's nice. That's good to know. So, we have screenshot of these approaches as well with your managers. They have a copy with your assistants, with your angels. They can send this to you. Alright? Okay, punta na tayo sa quick product review natin. Bago, meron tayong game later. Alright? Para malaman kung may napulot kayo dito sa quick product review natin. Doon makakatulong, magbigay ng points to determine our winners for today. Alright? Pag-usapan natin yung future scholar. Since pinag-uusapan natin yung savings, when you set appointment, isa sa pinakamadaling set appointment is for education ng kids. No? Kunyari si Miss Holly, kakapanganak na lang. So definitely, dapat bentahan natin siya ng education plan. Right? And one of our best education plans is Future Scholar. Alright? So ano ba si Future Scholars? Quick review tayo. Now, again, minamention ko, may slides din ako kanina, education is a guaranteed expense. Super important that we have, you know, we have planned for the education of our kids. Kasi, ganoon, anyway, gagastusin mo rin naman siya. Paano kung wala kang panggastos by that time? Or may other kang expenses? Or maybe, gusto mo mag-travel, hindi ka makapag-travel kasi yung pera mo gagamitin mo for education of your kids. And napakadaming reason to save for education ng kids. Alright, so let's talk about the features or the advantages, the benefits of Future Scholar. So, sa education funding, you have to decide. Kung pipili ka ng product for education funding, ang tanungin mo, anong gusto ko? Yung insured ba yung parent or insured ba yung anak? So, ako, personally, kung yung kliyente ko, wala pang insurance, kahit minsan ang gusto niya talaga or nag-approach ko siya, mas madaling iset kapag for the kids, no? So education plan. And then nag-usap kami, wala pa siyang insurance. Kung wala pa siyang insurance, maybe ang ibibigay ko an insurance policy like all-in-one, yung AIO or ACP, the Critical Protect, bigyan ko yung parent. Kung may budget pa siya, bigyan ko siya ng Future Scholar. Pero kung meron na siyang existing policy, kahit hindi pa ganun kalaki, then maybe it's about time to add Future Scholar or this plan. By the way, this is a VUL plan. So kung wala ka pang VUL license, get one soon. So kung insured ang anak, pwede siya kay Future Scholar. No? Pero again, as much as possible, kung wala pang insurance yung parent, try to educate them kung mako-convince natin sila na kumuha rin sila for themselves. Okay, so dito, ang feature niya, the child will be the proposed insured. The owner will be the mom or the dad, whoever the policy owner is. Ang insured dito, yung bata. So, for example, kumuha tayo ng 50,000 a year na premium. Alright? So, pay up to age 17 itong isinample ko. Si Future Scholar, nahahati siya into two parts. Part of what you pay, like 25,000, goes to the life insurance coverage nung anak. So, insured yung bata ng 125,000 and then part of that gets invested sa VUL natin. Alright? Yung kalahati, 25,000, goes to the guaranteed education benefits. Wherein, ito na nakalagay na, no? Na up to age 21, in fact, ang charge siya ng age 18, 19, 20, and 21 for 4 years, makaka-receive si client ng total of 377,000. May breakdown yan, I will show you later. Right? So 50,000 per year, pay up to age 17. Yan ba yung minimum nito, DJ? Hindi. Ang minimum lang ng Future Scholar is 20,000 a year. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung 50K para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung returns. Alright? So, second feature, and we want to highlight yung guaranteed education benefit. Ito yung kakaiba sa Future Scholar, unlike other VUL plans. Sa Future Scholar, may part ng binabayad mo na pupunta siya sa guaranteed return. So, para siyang OL na VUL, hybrid siya. No? So, ayan. So, may guaranteed education benefit siya. May dalawang option ka kay Future Scholar. Yung isang option, 20% ng binabayad mo, guaranteed, 80 goes to the guaranteed education benefit. So 80% goes to the VUL plan, wherein the normal VUL, you invest it. Or 50-50. No? Ako, I would suggest 50-50 kasi nga, kaya mo nga bibigyan yung Future Scholar, may gantong feature. Kung lilitan mo rin lang yung guaranteed, mag-other VUL plans ka na lang, like Future Builder, or yung family provider, whatever. Alright? So, pero kung dito, dun ka sa may guaranteed benefit kasi yun nga yung kukunin mo yun yung kakaiba kay Future Scholar. No? So, I wanna highlight this. Ayan, isa-isahin natin yung table. Alright? Ito, sobrang important na matutunan ninyo. So, let's say, dun tayo sa third column, 50,000 a year, magbabayad ka for 14 years kasi hanggang age 17. Alright? Nakalagay dyan at age 18 kasi end of year po tayo rito. So, 14 years, maghuhulog ka ng 50K, no? And then, at the end of age 18 din, alright, mag-start na yung payout. Nakalagay dito sa fourth column, guaranteed education payout, 75,000, 86, 99, and 115,000. Alright, yan yung guaranteed education payout. Pag tinotal mo yan, babalik ka doon. No? So dito, yan yung 377,986.10. Try nyo i-compute. No, yun siya. Alright, yun yung 377,000. Pag inad mo yung apat na yan, yun yung guaranteed education payout. Alright? And then, part of that, napupunta sa VUL, hindi na guaranteed. So, hindi mo alam kung ano magiging performance ng market. Could be 0%, 4%, 10%, 3.29%, whatever. Alright? Walang guarantee. Alright? Pero also, may chance din na lumaki. No? Yung guaranteed natin, wala nang chance lumaki. Yan na yun. Okay? So, hatiin mo siya. Ganito yung presentation nito. Okay, at age 18 po, magka-college na yung anak nyo. Age 19, makakuha ka rin ng 86. Age 20, makakuha ka ng 99,000. Age 21, makakuha ng 115,000. And then, by age 22, kung hindi pa graduate yung anak mo, you can get something from the living benefit. No, pwede ka mag-withdraw ng partial or in full. Yan yung nakalagay doon. Kunyari kung 4% ang performance on the average, 485,580 yung nasa VUL mo that you can withdraw. Pwedeng partial, pwedeng full. Alright? Kung graduate na siya dyan, edi graduation gift mo yan. Pwede nyo pong withdrawin, ibigay nyo sa anak nyo pang start niya ng business niya. Alright? Or whatever they wanna go. Pag-travel kayo, whatever that you wanna go. Whatever you wanna do. Alright? So, yun yung option. Kung nakita nyo, yan yung guaranteed education benefit, 377,986, and then insured siya ng 125,000. Ito yung para sa pay up to age 17. Alright? Pakita ko ngayon, no? Tignan natin, sa total education benefits, kung 4% yung return ng VUL, compute natin kung magkano kikitain ng pera. So, 377,986 is the guaranteed benefit. Yung 485,580, if you look at the table, that's the 4% return at age 22. Sabihin natin, withdraw at age 22. If you add them, it's 863,566. I-divide mo siya sa 700,000. Saan nakuha yung 700,000? Sa pinakababa. Now, it's the total savings, what you've saved for the next 14 years, 50,000 a year for the next 14 years. So, that's 700,000. 863,000 divided by 700,000, that's 123%. So, tumubo ka ng 23.37% earning. Not that big, no? Sabihin niya, ay, laki na, ang liit naman yan for 14 years. Yes and no. No, kasi again, savings ito. We're not really highlighting the returns. No, kasi ang mga, based on our experience, ang mga magulang, when you talk about education, gusto nila yung, hindi sinusugal yung education. Gusto nila, sigurado may makukuha. So, happy na sila doon sa kalahati is guaranteed 377K, and then kalahati, okay, sinusugal mo ng konti into VUL. So, a 23% earning of your money is already good enough for them. Alright? Pag tinignan mo rin yung 3.29% return, yung saan nakuha yung 3.29%, meron dun sa table, pinakakanan, kanina, if you will see. Yun yung current performance nung pinili ko na fund, which is the Balanced Elite Fund. Alright? Now, the AIA Elite Funds Balance. Alright? So, doon, mas maliit ng konti yung VUL part niya, 448,923. Pag in-add mo yun, 826,000. Divided by 700,000, the earnings would be about 18%. And again, hindi masyadong malaki, but even though maliit yung performance, hindi ka rin lugi. Yun lang naman ang kailangan mong ma-establish kay client dito. Sir, ma'am, pag ilagay mo yung pera mo dito, hindi din naman lugi yung pera mo. Tumubo ng konti, nakapag-save ka. So, you are selling the program itself na nakapag-save siya. Kesa isa-save niya sa bangko, baka magalaw niya lang yung pera, gamitin niya elsewhere. At least itong future scholar niya, para talaga to sa education ng kids. Alright, type in the chat box if you have questions, sasagutin ko mamaya. Okay? So, ang positioning ito is mainly a savings program that is better than the bank. This is not, hindi mo talaga to pwedeng i-position as investment. Kasi pag investment, parang gusto na nilang withdrawin after 2 years, 3 years, hindi eh. Savings to for the education ng anak. Yun yung dapat mentality nitong product na to. So save ka lang, save ka lang. Lagay ka lang dyan ng pera para by that time, meron kang naipon, may magagamit ka na pang education ng anak mo. In fact, the 800,000 is even lower, no? Pag na-compute natin yan, we would need about 2 to 3 million already. Pag mag-college yung anak natin, 10 to 15 years from now. I have a separate video about it. We have separate trainings for that. But yeah, you would need about 1 million, 2 million, or 3 million per child sa college already, 10 to 15 years from now. Alright? Of course, may cash surrender value din yung future scholar. At ang maganda rin dito, no, pwede mo siyang withdrawin, well, yeah, 6 years onward, 0% na yung surrender charges niya. So pag nag-withdraw ka, wala nang bawas from the account value, hindi dun sa nahulog mo. So first 5 years, medyo malaki. No, it prevents you from withdrawing, which is also good because it helps you develop the discipline. Ganun po mag-present ng VUL, gagawin natin positive, yung tingin ng iba negative. Ay, ba't ganun? Pera ko na nga, may charge pa pag withdraw ko. Hindi po ganun. What we are selling is a program to help you develop the discipline to save and invest in the future para hindi mo yan magalaw. Iba po yung savings mo sa bank. Iba yung investment mo sa stock market. Ito po para talaga sa education ng anak mo. So gusto natin, hindi mo gagalawin. Alright? So I want to show you lang dito, no, na kunyari after paying for 5 years or 6 years, 'di ba? Meron ka ng guaranteed benefit, a guaranteed education benefit surrender value. Nakalagay diyan 105,000 if you can see dun sa highlighted na red. Right? So ika-fifth column. Yung 105,000 is just, smaller than the 650Ks na nabayad mo, 300K na hulog mo, 105,000 lang mawi-withdraw mo. Pero wala nang bawas yan. Alright? That guaranteed education benefit, yan yung mawi-withdraw mo. Plus, actually, meron ka na ring part nung VUL part mo. Kunyari sa 4%, 237,000 yon. No? So in fact, dun sa time na yon, 237,000 plus the 105,000, halos nag-break even na siya. In fact, more than break even na, no? So, yun yung makukuha mo kasi magkahiwala yung total living benefit tsaka sorry, mali. Erase. Yung total living benefit sa part na ito, yung 237,000 included na pala diyan. Right? I stand corrected. Kung included na diyan yung guaranteed education benefit. So 237K lang yung mawi-withdraw mo at 4%. Lugi ka pa ng konti. Alright? By that time. Yung doon sa age 22 na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, yun na talaga yun. Kasi na-withdraw mo na yung apat from age 18, 19, 20, 21. Alright? So yun. Kaya doon, the 377,000 plus 485, if you can see dito sa may age 22. But at age, sabay sa ika-6 pa lang, age 10, yung total living benefit na 4%, no, wag kayong malito kasi nalito nga ako kanina. Wag kayong malito dyan in the future with the client. Yung 105,000 kasama na kasama na yun dun sa VUL part. So ang total living benefits nakalagay na diyan 237,000 lang if you withdraw. So lugi ka ng konti pero wala na siyang bawas, wala na siyang withdrawal charges. Some of our or most of our products kasi na VUL 10 years yung charges. May 10% ka pang charge sa 6th year to 10th year. All right? Sige, let's move forward. Okay, may dalawang option to. 5 years to pay, tsaka pay up to age 17. So, kung hindi kayang mag-commit ng client, 5 years to pay lang. Kung naiintindihan niya, alam niya extra money niya talaga to, kaya niyang ihulog, pay up to age 17 para mas malaki yung maipon. So, let me share with you the difference. Itong una is the pay up to age 17. Yung guaranteed education benefit, if you can see, is 377,000. Kapag 5 pay lang, the same, 50,000 ang premium, 125,000 ang face amount insurance ng bata, pero yung guaranteed education benefit niya on the age 18, 19, 20, 21 is only 135,000. Definitely, it's lower kasi mas konti lang din yung naibayad mo. So makikita nyo yan sa table na ito, alright? No, yung makukuha niya at age 18 is 27,000 lang. Alright? Mas mababa siya compared to earlier na nasa 70 plus thousand and going to 100 plus thousand. So, ganyan lang. No? So, pwede rin naman, 5 years lang muna. After 5 years, kaya niya pang magbayad ulit, edi mag-top up siya or buy another plan. May benta ka ulit. Alright? So, yun lang yung difference ng 5K sa pay up to age 17. Both works as long as ma-explain mong mabuti kay client. So, type in the chat box, what do you like better? 5K or pay up to age 17 na future scholar. Alright? Issue age nito is only age 0 to 10. No? So hanggang 10 lang siya kasi nga magbabayad ka ng 5 years or hanggang age 17 eh. So definitely kung age 15 na, hindi na pwedeng kumuha ng future scholar kasi at age 18 may pay out na. Alright? So yun lang po, no? Just to clarify this, na hanggang age 10 lang talaga ang issue age ng future scholar. Alright, so yun lang po ang ating quick product review. Ano pong natutunan nyo dyan at ano po yung pinaka nagustuhan nyo about the product? Anyway, we will call in our host today para sa quick game natin about this product.